Hello and welcome to Adventure Awaits. I'm back again to give you an update on the Harpersfield covered bridge behind me. I was here almost 2 months ago when I found out they had taken the old bridge down and they're replacing it with this new one. I wanted to come back today and give an update, and to my eyes they've got a little bit of the platform up, and that's about it. So I don't know what they've been doing for almost 2 months. I don't know. They say this is supposed to open by the end of the year, and as I'm filming this now, it's November 15th on this great fall day. I'm showing you a little bit in the background of this bridge. It's supposed to be a covered bridge with walkways on each side. I'm anxiously awaiting this, so I'll be back sometime in December to see how far they are. But today I'm going to walk around a few spots and give you a couple different views of this area. So let's go for a hike. Here's another portion of the park. I walked down this trail to this nice fishing area people use to fish. And I'm on the other side of the bridge now. You can barely see it over there. But this is a nice part of the river. Deeper side. The other side of this spillway is where it's shallower and you can walk through the rocks and all that. But there's another highway over there. The reflections and the clouds up in the sky are nice looking. But I'm going to walk to a couple other areas here and show you some different aspects of the bridge. Here's a closer look at the bridge where it's going to be coming across in the spillway down there. Looks like a two-tiered spillway. There's some fishermen down there. But it sure looks like they got a long way to go if this is supposed to be done by the end of 2023. Now I'm going to walk down that way, try to cross the river to get to the other side. We'll see how that goes. Okay, I walked down to the shallow end of the river here. It's a little higher than the last time I was here a couple months ago. I thought I was going to be able to cross by foot, but the water's a little bit higher and I can't find a way. So I'm showing you the river here. This is the Grand River that runs through Ashtabula and Lake counties and empties into Lake Erie. But there's the bridge up there. And there are workmen around, but I see very little work being done, so I don't know what they're doing. A couple of them over there just standing around. But I'll be back, show you a little bit more before the end of the year and see what's going on. As I was walking up from the river, I saw this little trail over here, and I've never walked up here before. It looks like a water runoff though. We are down in kind of like a valley. Most of the leaves are off the trees. Right here it's very calm. You can hear the river in the background, but this little area here, it looks like a lot of people walk up to this area, but there's a little bit of waterfalls right there through those trees. I imagine if we had some good rain, which we haven't had here in a while, the water would come down that little gully there, wash, whatever you want to call it, and fall down these waterfalls here and go down this little area here into the river. But just thought I'd come up here to see what was here and show you. All right, that'll do it for today. I want to thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up, and I'll be back in December sometime to update things on the Harpersfield covered bridge again, and we'll see if they're close to finishing it like they said they would be by the end of 2023. Thanks for watching.